Hello class, welcome back. In this class we will see and we will draw some angle, okay, and given in the exercise 11.1. So class, question number second I have taken. Consider an angle of 90 degree and draw the bisector of the angle. ठीक है, तो क्लास पहले हमें एंगल ड्रॉ करना है and also write the step of construction. So class, for the drawing of angle of 90 degree, and so class, how I'll do, first I draw take one line segment AB, draw a line segment AB, and with center A draw an arc with the same radius from point D as center, draw an two arc, okay, that is equal 60, it is equal to 60. So after this, actually 90 degree also we can do without drawing. There is no need to just draw the line here. I draw the line 120 degree, I just draw the 60 degree. There is no need for that. You do one thing. From this point, I just let this point is E and this point is F. From these 2 points, I draw the another arc from point E and from point F, right? So from this point, I draw one arc here. From this point, I just point one arc here. After this, I join this intersecting arc and this line to point A, right? Class, this angle is equal to 90 degree. It is equal to 90 degree. Okay. Now the next is draw an angular bisector. So what to do? With any radius more than half. In compass we take any radius more than half from point D, and from point this point I just let this point is G. So from these 2 points, draw 2 arc again. तो ये एक one arc is intersect here, यहाँ से यहाँ पे होगा. After this I join this point to this line, right? This angle is equal to 45 degree. So this is the complete section, right? So I just start the step of construction. Steps of construction. First, draw a line segment, right, AB of any length, okay, and second, with center A, with center as A, and draw an arc of some radius, let the arc intersect AB, line segment AB at point D. Clear? This arc is intersecting at point E, and from point with center as D, draw an arc and again another arc drawn from point E से आप देखिए क्लास, एक ये पॉइंट है आपका D, पॉइंट आपका E है, और एक ये पॉइंट है, राइट? सो आई लेट दिस पॉइंट इज F, दिस पॉइंट इज E. सो ड्रॉ another arc from point E. Clear? So now we have these 2 drawn. Okay. So from point from points E and F. Draw an arc. Draw an arc. क्लास यहां से आपने आर्क्स ड्रॉ किए, ठीक है ना, एंड आफ्टर दिस फिफ्थ पॉइंट लिखे हम, जॉइन द इंटरसेक्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ आर्क, intersecting point of an arc say, क्या सॉल्यूट कर लीजिए, दिस पॉइंट इज G, say point G, say point G, right? So from join the intersecting point of arc, say point G and point A, right? So the angle BAG, class this point is B, BAG is equal to 90 degree. So the angle BAG is equal to 90 degree. Okay, so now class, this is a construction for angle 90. After this, now I draw the angular bisector, in which I write drawing another arc, okay, from point D and G, and after this I join the point of intersection of these arc and the point A, and this is the required line which is the angle bisector. Okay, so these two steps have to be written here. So after this, from point, this class from 7 point, this point will repeat here. Okay, from 4 point will repeat here. From point D and G, draw an arc, intersecting, draw an arc which intersecting at point, इसको आप लेट कर लेते हैं point H, at point H. Okay, and after that, all right, next step class होगा join point H and A. Okay, point H and A. So angle HAB is equal to 45 डिग्री की क्लास, ठीक है, जो क्लास HAB होगा ये एंगल आपका 45 डिग्री होगा, एंड विच एक्सप्लेनिंग इज दैट कि जो लाइन HA है दिस इज द एंगुलर बाइसेक्टर। क्लास क्लियर है? तो क्लास आपको ये लैंग्वेज चेंज हो सकती है स्टूडेंट टू स्टूडेंट, देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम, ठीक है, मैं कुछ और लैंग्वेज लिख रहा हूँ, आप यहाँ पर कुछ और लैंग्वेज लिख सकते हैं, इसमें कोई इशू नहीं है। क्लास इंपॉर्टेंट क्या है? इंपॉर्टेंट ये है कि आपको जो कंस्ट्रक्शन है आपको इसको आपको आइडिया लेना है कि आप कैसे कंस्ट्रक्शन कर रहे हैं, आपको इसका आइडिया होना, दैट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट rather than of step of construction. Step of construction आप क्लास अपने आप से अपने आइडिया से आप इसको लिख सकते हैं, कोई ऐसा इशू नहीं है, ठीक है। यहाँ मैं स्टेप इसलिए लिख रहा हूँ जिन बच्चों को नहीं आ रहा है, अंडरस्टैंडिंग नहीं हो पा रही है, वो कुछ यहाँ से आइडिया ले सकते हैं, राइट। प्रेफरेबल ये है यू ड्रॉ दिस फिगर एट योर ओन सेल्फ एंड यू राइट योर ओन स्टेप्स। ओके क्लास, तो क्लास दिस इज द angle 90 degree and angular bisector of angle 90 degree. Okay class, just note down and copy. Class, in question number 3 we have to draw some angle. Construct the angles, so there are some few angles I am writing here, angles of 30 degree, okay, and 15 degree and 22 whole 1 upon 2 degree, right? Thus that is equal to 45 by 2 degree, means half of 45 degree. Thus actually in this question only I will draw the figure. You write the step as in the previous video in the last class before this class, what the video I've sent you, and that video also I wrote the step of construction. Today in the first question I did in the step of construction. From that idea you write the step of construction, only I will draw the figure here. Okay, so you see how to draw this all this angle, and I am thinking is that, and I hope you all know this how to draw all these angles. It's a very simple thing. Class, now see for the 30 degree, what I'll do, just firstly I'll make the angle of 60 degree, and the half of 30, and the half of 60, that is equal to 30 degree, and the half of 30, it is 45 degree, and the 22 whole 1/2 degree. For that, what to do, just only first make an angle of 45 degree, and the half of 45, that is equal 22 whole 1/2 degree. So this is the very simple way, class. Okay, just only we have to do only what, angular bisector, angle bisector. Nothing, there is no any new things are there, right? Class, the main topic is of construction is when I start the step of constructions of triangle. This is the main part, right? In which we will see some few different conditions will be given in the question, and we have to draw the draw the figure, draw the means we have to do the construction, and that condition will based on the congruency of triangle. There was this thing also I shared you, I told you in the first video is that, so these conditions were given according to the 5 axioms of congruency, right? Side means in the first case when the 3 sides are given, in the second case when 2 side 1 include angle is given, third case when 1 include side and 2 angle are given, okay, and the fourth case when 2 angle and 1 side is given, okay. Fifth case, a right angle hypotenuse side, means the length of hypotenuse will be given and even side will be given, and one angle is 90, it is also given in the question. So on the basis of these 5 things, we will learn how to draw triangles, okay, with the basis with the help of this information. Class, clear? This is the main part of this chapter. And after this, when the sum of 2 sides is given in a triangle, how to draw a triangle. When the difference of 2 sides are given in the question, how to draw the triangle. These two, another thing also we will learn, right? One thing has been deleted from this chapter, which is that if the perimeter of triangle is given and the 2 base angle is given, it has been deleted, this part. So remaining part are there. So we will just do again step one by one. We will do this question. Class, now for this angle, you see what I am explaining, the same thing also I'll do here, right? And the 3 questions are more sufficient for your explanation. And class, for 30 degree, first you draw one line segment AB, okay, and at the point O, draw an angle of 60 degree. From this is point D or C, whatever you take, okay. From this point, draw an arc, that is equal 60 degree. So now I join this part to this line. This is point C also you may take. It is angle of 60 degree, right? And after this, next we have to draw 30 degree. What I'll do, just to do an angular bisector. So from point D and C, draw another 2 arc with the same radius. For these 2 arc, the radius will not change. If you change the radius for these 2 arcs, for one arc from here, one arc from here, for these 2 arcs, if you change the radius of compass, then the angular bisector will not correct. Okay, class. So for these 2 arcs, radius must be same. Okay, after this I join this point to this point. This point, let it E. It is the angle of 30 degree. It is angle 30 degree. This is the required value. For the 15 degree, what I'll do, you can understand it very easily. So half of 30 will be 15 degree. So for this angle, we let this point is F. From D and F, draw another 2 arc from here and one from here, okay, of the same radius. And after this, I join this line. So this angle is equal to 15 degree as finished. Next is 45 by 2. First draw 90. How? From this point, draw 2 arc. One this one, it is equal to 60, it is equal to 120. Okay, so from these 2 arc, without drawing the line, this thing also I just explained in the first question. Okay, without drawing the line, draw from these two arcs, put the compass here, and draw the two arcs, okay, and join this line to this one. It is equal to 90 degree, and the half of 90 will be 45. So it is 45 by 2. First make 45, and then after this again to bisect, then you will get 45 by 2. So from these 2 points, it is point A, point D, point C, point D. From C and D, draw the two arc, okay, from C and D. It is angle of 45 degree, okay, and this point will let it is point E, okay. So from this angle, it is equal to 45 degree. One point is here, one point is, it is point C and F. Draw the two arc. It is equal to class 22 whole 1 upon 2 degree means 45 by 2 degree. Okay class, this is the required value, right? For some other thing also you may think, you also may understand. For angle of 135, 105 for the other angle. So how will you do? Draw, this is the line segment, okay, because it is the obtuse angle, it will just come here. So for I'm drawing here for angle 135 degree, okay. How I'll do? So from this point to the 2R, one, it is 60, it is 120, okay, but it is what? It is how much? It is 135. It is more than 120, okay. So for this one, I have to complete this angle. It is angle of how much? 180, straight line, okay, supplementary angle. So this angle is equal to 180 degree. After this, it is 60, it is 120, it is 180. From these two angles, draw the half of this one, and I join this line here. It is equal to 150 degree, okay. So there are some, actually class, it is the rough figure I am drawing here. So measurement is not correct here, because just only I am giving you ideas how to draw, right? Class, it is equal to 150 degree. Class, it is 150, it is how much? 120. So half of 120 and 150, which gives you 135. So from this point is D and this point is E. From these 2 points, again draw one angular bisector. So half of this angle is equal to 135. So this angle is equal to 135 degree. That's clear? So this question are rest of remaining problems you tried. If any problem, so you ask me, okay. Next, now I am going to tell you about the construction of triangle. Class, in the construction of triangle, this is the first type in which the length of 3 sides of a triangle are given. Okay, so I let here the 3 sides are 3.7, 4 and 5.6 centimeter. Okay, class, one thing which is very much important for the construction of triangle is that firstly, the first step is you have to make a one rough figure, whatever according to the condition, information given in the question, right? So जो भी class required thing हमें question में given है, right? So accordingly, first you make a one rough figure. Rough figure, the aim to do the rough figure is that which give us a one idea, one way how to start the question, and from where means step to step we just make out a one आइडिया कि हमें कैसे उस फिगर को ड्रॉ करना है. ओके क्लास क्लियर? तो हम जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन यहाँ पर गिवन होगा, हम उस पहले एक रफ फिगर ड्रॉ कर लेंगे कि हमारी वर्किंग का स्टेप्स क्या होंगे. उसके बाद हम उसको फाइनली फिगर हम ड्रॉ कर लेंगे विद हेल्प ऑफ कंपास एंड रूलर. ठीक है, अब यहाँ पर क्लास 3 साइड गिवन है. अब रफली अगर आप देखें तो रफ में आप फर्स्ट 5.6 से 4 एंड 3.7 है. ठीक है ना, कि भी किसी भी एक साइड को प्रेफर हम करते हैं लॉन्गेस्ट साइड को. सो आई प्रेफर द लॉन्गेस्ट साइड. इट इज साइड ऑफ 5.6. आई ड्रॉ हियर फर्स्ट, एंड आफ्टर दिस आई फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट आई ड्रॉ द आर्क ऑफ 4 और 3.7 सेंटीमीटर. आप 3.7 ले लीजिए. ठीक है, उसके बाद from this point, from point B, draw another arc of 4 centimeter. So आप class यहाँ से आप arc लेते हैं 4 centimeter का. After this I join these 2 points, and this is the required triangle ABC. क्लास क्लियर? क्लास ये हमारी रिक्वायर्ड फिगर हो गई. क्लास आप पहले देखिए क्लास, ये तो मुझे ऑलरेडी मैं तो आपको विदाउट मेजरमेंट आपको बता रहा हूँ, ठीक है. मैं तो अपने आइडिया से इन सारे फिगर्स को कर रहा हूँ. बट आप जब कंपास इन सारे क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करेंगे, जब आप ड्राइंग करेंगे, सॉरी, तो उसके आप पहले एक रफ फिगर ड्रॉ करिएगा. रफ फिगर के बाद फिर आप कंस्ट्रक्शन स्टार्ट करिएगा, ठीक है. तो फर्स्ट पॉइंट क्या है? द फर्स्ट स्टेप इज ए बी, and the second step is AC, and third step you draw the BC. This is the required triangle ABC. Okay, क्लास ये हमारा फर्स्ट पार्ट हो गया. अब नेक्स्ट पार्ट की तरफ आते हैं. इसमें हमको क्या गिवन होगा? आप कुछ भी ले सकते हैं, 2 एंगल 1 साइड ले लेते हैं, ठीक है. तो क्लास आप अंडरस्टैंड करिए, यहाँ पर खाली मुझे बताना है, यहाँ पर आपको मुझे वे देना है कि आप कैसे कैसे इन सारे क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करेंगे. Plus in the second part here, the 2 sides are given and 1 included angle is given. Okay, means it is the type of side angle side. It is side and this is a side angle side, right? How I will do? Just first actually here the class 2 sides and 1 angle is given. अगर आप एक rough figure draw करते हैं, तो you see it is angle 4. Sorry, this is side 4. It is the 3.6. and it is angle 45 डिग्री. ठीक है क्लास, अगर आप एक रफ फिगर ड्रॉ कर लेंगे तो आपको एक आइडिया रहेगा कि आपको जो एंगल ड्रॉ करना है वो किधर ड्रॉ करना है. अब आप कंफ्यूज होंगे, मैं एंगल यहाँ ड्रॉ करूँ 45 या एंगल 45 ये होगा, तो आपको ये कंफ्यूजन होगा. अगर आप ये हमारा जो रफ स्केच होता है, अगर आप रफ स्केच को स्किप कर देते हैं, आप डायरेक्टली स्टार्ट होते हैं कि क्लास ये क्वेश्चन तो बहुत इजी था, इट इज वेरी सिंपल प्रॉब्लम. अब यहाँ पर प्रॉब्लम ये है कि आप फॉर एग्जांपल आपके माइंड में एक बात आती है कि हम एंगल यहाँ पर ड्रॉ करें या एंगल हम यहाँ पर ड्रॉ करें, तो ये क्या आपको कंफ्यूज करेगा. इजी वे क्या है कि आपने पहले रफ फिगर ड्रॉ कर लिया, आपको आइडिया हो गया कि आप कैसे कैसे आपको फॉलो अप करना है. देखिए, आपको फर्स्ट लाइन बेस बनाना है, देन मुझे 45 डिग्री एक एंगल बनाना है, और इस एंगल की जो इस आर्म को 3.6 पे आग ले लेना और हमारा रिक्वायर्ड आंसर हो जाएगा. ठीक है, तो क्लास हम इसमें क्या करेंगे, फर्स्ट आई ड्रॉ द बेस ऑफ 4 सेंटीमीटर. ठीक है ना. फ्रॉम पॉइंट ए आई ड्रॉ एन एंगल ऑफ 45 डिग्री. 90 का आप हाफ करेंगे. ठीक है, तो अब आपने 90, आप फॉर एग्जांपल आपने 90 ड्रॉ कर लिया, मैं कंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं दे रहा हूं, आपने इसको हाफ किया, ये एंगल आपका हो गया फॉर एग्जांपल 45. ठीक है क्लास, ये आप 45 एंगल हो गया आपका. उसके बाद आप क्या करेंगे, नेक्स्ट स्टेप, फ्रॉम पॉइंट ए ड्रॉ एन आर्क ऑफ 3.6 सेंटीमीटर. यहां से आपने 3.6 का आर्क लिया, उसके बाद आपने इस पॉइंट को इस लाइन से ज्वाइन कर दिया. ठीक है, इट इज पॉइंट ए, इट इज पॉइंट सी, या 3.6 सेंटीमीटर. इट इज द रिक्वायर्ड ट्रायंगल. ठीक है, अब लास्ट में लिख देंगे ट्रायंगल एबीसी इज द रिक्वायर्ड ट्रायंगल. आप स्टेप ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शंस के एंड में ये आप जरूर मेंशन करेंगे कि जो आपको ट्रायंगल मिला है वो कौन सा ट्रायंगल है. तो आपको मेंशन करना है ट्रायंगल एबीसी इज अ रिक्वायर्ड ट्रायंगल. ओके क्लास, नोट डाउन. प्लस फॉर द थर्ड फिगर, यहां पर आपको क्लास 2 एंगल्स गिवन है और एक इंक्लूड साइड गिवन है और एक ट्रायंगल आपको ड्रॉ करना है. तो इसमें हम पहले इस तरह से फिगर को ड्रॉ करेंगे. इट इज साइड ऑफ 45 डिग्री, लेंथ एंगल 45, इट इज एंगल 60 डिग्री, एंड दिस इज द रिक्वायर्ड ट्रायंगल. ठीक है, कैसे ड्रॉ करेंगे, पहले आप ड्रॉ करेंगे वन बेस ऑफ 4.5 सेंटीमीटर. From this point draw an arc of angle 45. It is angle suppose at 90. Okay, and half to this angle, which gives you angle of 45. And from this point draw an arc from this side. Okay, and again arc here. It is angle 60. And wherever the intersecting point, this is the required triangle ABC. Point A, point B. it is point C, right? It is angle 45 degree and it is angle 60 degree. This is the required triangle ABC. Plus for the last construction, this is the type of RHS, right angle hypotenuse side, okay, in which the two things are, when one thing is already given, which we have to assume is that one angle is 90 degree, okay, and the remaining two things are given. One is hypotenuse and one side is given in the question. So here length of hypotenuse is 6 centimeter. It is the longest side of triangle, and only one side is given. We let one side is that is equal to 4.5 centimeter, and we have to draw a right angle triangle. So how do I start? First class, actually this drawing start from the base, okay. So first I let is that this is the base 4.5 centimeter, okay, and hypotenuse it is 6 centimeter given in the equation. So I make a one angle degree 90, and now take an arc of 6 centimeter from this point, and it is hypotenuse 6 centimeter. Now this is the required triangle, right angle triangle ABC. So you see again here, this is the base. First you draw the base of 4.5 centimeter, okay. This is the first step. Second step, you draw one right angle triangle at this point, or also you may do from this point as well, okay. You may draw an angle 90 at point B as well, there is no issue. So now you make an angle of 90 degree. It is angle of 90 degree from point B. Listen very carefully. From point B, draw an arc of radius 6 centimeter, okay, because the hypotenuse is given, it is 6 centimeter. So draw an arc from point B is 6 centimeter, okay. After this I join this point to this point. So this is the length of 6 centimeter, it is length of 45, and it is angle 90 degree. It is the required triangle ABC. It is now it is a right angle triangle, okay. So class, on the basis of this construction what I explained you, I am sending you some few problems, you try them, and the next problem we will do the next part of the next exercise question we will do, that is 11.2, okay. So okay class, goodbye.